I made over $250,000 on YouTube using AI. So here's the 3-step exact process that I would use AI to create a new YouTube channel using a new trending niche. The niche that you're seeing on my screen right now is a really new niche that is emerging right now. It is actually the
A baby is
modeled version
staring at you
of
right
another
now.
niche that I've shared recently, which is a pet niche, right? People were sharing videos on how to actually take care of your dog or your cat. Now, with this channel, they have transformed the niche into something like how you can take care of your baby. So obviously, the parents are the ones who are watching these videos. Let's check the viral video that they have posted only 13 days ago together for a few seconds.
Not blinking, not looking away, just locked onto your face with an intensity that makes grown adults feel slightly judged.
As you can
Change how you see
see,
babies.
there are simple images
That's not blurry vision.
explaining that the psychology of babies that stare at you what they're trying to say. As you can see, just like the niche of that dog or cat, what it means when they're staring at you, they now transformed it into something like what the baby is staring at you means, right? So it's a really creative niche
Vision.
made with simple
Their
images,
brainwaves stand why.
some voiceover.
Cognitive scientists call
There's
it
no
a violation
captions
of
at all in
expectation
the video.
response. You
Since the topic and the packaging is interesting enough, people, especially parents, watch these videos. And these are actually useful videos for most of the people. So they're not AI slope. I think you can actually run a good channel with this niche, with these kind of topics, because they actually serve to a real audience, not just to entertain the people, but give information about a serious topic. So how we can actually model this kind of videos using AI? What could be the 3-step process that we're going to follow? Obviously, the step 1 is going to be finding a niche, right? Something, a trending niche, something like this, to start a YouTube channel. You can check my Twitter that I'm going to put in the description, or my other videos on my YouTube channel, and you can check my other tweets as well to learn more about the niches that you can start at the moment. But the step 2 obviously will be creating your channel, maybe buying an H channel or creating your own channel on a VPS server. Then continue with the step 3. You want to create these videos as fast as possible using AI, because you want to compete with these people creating and running these channels, right? You need to leverage the power of AI somehow to compete with these people. So let me show you how we can actually use a single AI tool to make all of these videos in literally one click. So you don't need to deal with 5-6 different AI tools to create images and voiceovers and other aspects of the video, but you can actually do everything in just one place in a single click. So what you want to do is really simple. You copy the link of any viral video. For example, I go to this viral video in this niche, right? Then I copy the link of this video.
are not just.
Then I go to my AI tool called Direct AI. So in Direct AI, there are different features, but what I want to start with is the ideation. I paste my link, click on generate ideas. Now it's going to research that topic and will come up with similar ideas that can go viral, just like that example video. So that I can, when I start my new channel, I can directly use that idea to create my new video. As you can see, psychology of babies crying when the moon rises, psychology of babies gazing into, psychology of babies' first words, hidden meanings revealed. See how interesting and attractive these topics are if you look at the perspective of the audience of these videos, like the parents and stuff. Psychology of babies, wide-eyed wonder, psychology of babies reacting to music. So as you can see, there are similar topics to that viral video, which I can use, any of these. I'm going to continue with this one, psychology of babies' first words. then I will continue with this video generator option. You could continue with Ultra Video Generator if you were to use intense animations across the video, but as you can see, this is just simple images, so normal video generator will be more than enough for a video like this. So what I want to now is just select the extra settings of my new video. For example, this video is like around 11-minute length, right? I'm gonna select the new length of my new video. Let's make it a bit longer, like 15 minutes. And for voice model, now I'm gonna select my voice artist, AI voice artist. I can continue the normal voice artist. I've got a lot of 11 Labs voices here. For example, I can continue with George for a video like this.
This is a preview of how this voice sounds.
It is fine, I think.
Amazing content.
You can also continue with the background music if you want. For example, for a video like this, maybe playful or jazz or meditation, something slow, like mystical fantasy. Yeah, I want to just continue with something like slow meditation zen. Adjust volume to just 1-2%, just to barely hear it. And for the number of images, I can think of changing the images in every like 10 seconds, just like the example video did, right?
2 decades.
So I could use like maybe 4 or 5 images per minute. So we can say that 60 images for a video like this will be more than enough. You can even use less images because most of the people just listen to these videos while they're driving, while they're cleaning the house, while they're doing some other stuff. So they don't really care about the visuals in the video. But if you just use like 50-60 images for a 15-minute video, it's more than enough. It's actually too much that the tool is suggesting me to switch to Ultra Video Generator if I were to create intense video like that. But I'm going to continue with 60, stick to that. For image style, I can continue with some built-in styles and more on the way for these. There are just 2 options right here, but there will be even more options soon. I can say that. What you want to do is you're going to upload your own image style, all right? So you go to the example video, you take a screenshot from the few scenes across the video. Let's say that here, also here, also here. So I took 2-3 screenshots. Now I'm going to choose my files that I took so that the tool can analyze the example visual style and adapt it to all of the images in my new video, okay? Then I close this. I can use a normal AI model. I can add an animated intro just for a few seconds at the intro, just to make it more appealing to the audience. But I can also just continue with images as well. It's up to me. I'm just gonna put one animated intro for now. I can add some filters if I want. For example, I've got a bunch of different filters here, as you can see. For example, for a video like this, maybe you could use something like this, but I'm gonna pass it for now. I can review the images, which is gonna give me the option to reprompt the ones and change the ones that I didn't like and regenerate again, okay? I can review the script to make sure about the style of the script, but I think it's gonna be fine because it's gonna analyze that example viral video and write the script in that exact same style, okay? I can use some zoom effects for dynamism. I don't want captions because the example video haven't got any captions. Then I go and click generate video. Now it's gonna analyze that example video, write my new script for my new video topic that I chosen from the ideation. Then it's gonna create my voiceover, add my captions, create my images, and put everything together to give me a final video. And our video is ready. Let's check it out.
You're sitting on the floor, watching your 11-month-old babble at a plastic giraffe, and then it happens. A sound.
As you can see, it has used the animation in the intro.
You freeze, you lean
We've
in,
got the
and they just say
voiceover.
what you think they said.
We've got the exact
This moment,
style
baby books,
of
text
images
mama, dada, ball, dog.
across
No
all of the
sound,
video.
intent. That's not parroting, that's pragmatic. defined characteristics.
and
To the toddler, dog is an
trying
event.
to
It's the
explain
experience of interacting
psychology
with
of
a
babies'
four-legged
first
thing
words.
that moves and makes. He's nailed it before. That's not a language delay.
Consistently,
And it's so simple it
the
feels
exact
like
visual style
relational
that we have wanted
unexpected.
across all of the
But they
video.
also- and it's one that pediatric linguists
Wonderful. Like, it's around 15 minutes, just like we wanted. Now we can just download this and upload to YouTube. That's it. So that's the process of modeling a trending niche and starting a new YouTube channel in the exactly 3 steps. That was actually how easy it is using AI to following this process. So if you want to use direct AI to make videos like this and model trending niches, I'm going to put a link just like right below, which you can access to direct AI with an additional 20% discount code. So that was it for this video. See you in the next one.